Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Deidre here. Today I'll be doing a pantry organization video for you guys, and I'll be organizing my fridge and some of my cabinets as well. Yeah, it's long overdue. I haven't organized my pantry since we moved in and that's like over 7 months, so yeah, it's time for a refresh. So there wasn't actually any system at first. I just put things in the pantry and that was it. So right here I'll be taking some stuff out and wiping down. Well, it's probably dusted already, but I'm gonna be dusting stuff down and wiping down and cleaning it out before I go into lining the shelves.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter.
So the products I bought, I bought this jar, the one with the silver top from Walmart, the one with the black Amazon, and the bamboo top from Amazon, and I got those shelf liners from Amazon as well. If you want me to, I could link them below, or I could try and link them down below. I haven't done that yet, but I'll try and do that. And that's what I'll be using to organize my stuff today. And I'll just reuse my baskets and the other clear bins that I had from before. I would advise anyone who has shelves like this in their pantry to line the shelves, because it makes it easier for everything to balance and stand still, because usually when I put like bottles and stuff like that in before, it just would always fall over. So yeah, I didn't that bin, I got it from Ross. I've had it since Christmas. I put like the paper stuff in cups, and I put a bottle of vinegar in it, like things you don't usually use, I don't want us to use too often, because we have plates here. We don't need to use the paper plates that often. So yeah, I put the paper plates in that basket and I put it at the bottom. And on the last shelf, I didn't take this stuff off because I just organized that shelf recently. I had wanted somewhere to put those big appliances, and I had organized that shelf recently. Yeah, we had almost like 6 boxes of cereal and one not open yet. My boyfriend buys and eats a lot of cereal, so I had a lot of those, and most of them were like almost done. So the cereal jars weren't full to as much as I wanted them to be, but it's okay. So right here I'm putting up the jars and stuff. I put the labels on the black jars, the black labels I got from Amazon. I could also link that below if you guys are interested. And I have one empty jar, another one has rice in it, and the two at the front has popcorn and crackers. The one with the rice, I have another container that has rice in it that's more easily accessible, so I didn't have to worry about that. And I lined the top shelf with the 3 cereals, and I have the spaghetti in the back. It'll be hard to reach, but I can still see it, so I know it's there. And in those ball jars that I got from Walmart, I put the expiration date because it has somewhere where you could put the expiration date at the top, so that was very convenient. So with these 2 other shelves, it was so confusing and how I didn't know how to organize them. But I eventually figured it out. I used my containers that I had from before to organize this area, and you're gonna see me move those jars and bottles from that shelf to the bottom shelf underneath it. So yeah, I kept changing my mind on how to organize it. But it turned out well anyway, so. So while I was organizing, I actually made a big mess. This is gonna be hell to clean up. And this is a finished product. This is my pantry. I think I'm proud of it. Yes, I like the way I organized it. It's aesthetically pleasing, and everything is easily accessible. I won't need to knock down anything to get something else. Everything is, I can see it in one swoop. So yeah, I think this is a very convenient organization. And the clear bins I got from Amazon, by the way, and the white ones I think I got from the Dollar Tree store or Dollar General, one of those. And for my produce baskets, I lifted them up with some other clear bins because I'll be bending my back too hard to reach those, so I just gave it a little boost, So that's my pantry. So proud of it. And here I'll be organizing my spice cabinet, oil cabinet, condiment cabinet, all 3. We don't have that much stuff, so we only use the 2 shelves, and I can hardly reach the 2nd shelf, so I won't even bother putting anything up on the 3rd shelf. So I'm just taking everything out, cleaning it out, line the shelf, and then we're good to organize.
To talk to me is what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something, something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like the air. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Oh, 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 I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you.
So this cabinet, I keep my teas, hot cocoa, maple syrup, and honey, and all those things. Mostly breakfast and bacon stuff. So I keep those stuff in this pantry. I organize the bottom shelf for breakfast, tea, hot cocoa, and on the top shelf I just put my vitamins and my bacon stuff and maple syrup up top. So the fridge doesn't look so bad now, but because we kind of organized it last Sunday, because we bought more groceries and we needed the space, so we had to organize it. So it's not that bad. But this is the before of our fridge. So I didn't video me organizing the rest of the cabinets and fridge because it would have taken up too much time. But this is the end result. Another view of my pantry again because I'm so in love with it. Thanks for watching my video, everyone, and happy Black History Month. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for another video. I'll be posting one soon of me decorating my kitchen for spring. I know it's still February, but I want to do it soon. And please follow me on my Instagram at DXFran.